few months ago, the Vivo Y76 5G was launched in Malaysia. Well, here comes another new mid-range smartphone from the company. Ta-da! The brand new Vivo V23 5G is in the house! Let's unbox it now. This V23 5G comes in two color variants, which are Sunshine Gold and Stardust Black. Personally, I definitely would go for the Sunshine Gold because of the unique color changing glass and it shows a different shade at different angles. So, do you see gold, yellow or green? Of course, if you prefer classic look, then you can go for the black variant. Moving on to the tech spec, it's for a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Besides that, this device features a MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset, 12GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage and up to 4GB of extended RAM. Here comes the most interesting part of the device, which is the camera. This is perfect for the people who like to take selfie. It comes with dual selfie 15MP AF dual plus 8MP cameras and a dual tone spotlight. It also supports up to 105 degrees super wide angle camera. So the more the merrier, just fit all your friends into a single frame. Speaking of dual tone spotlight, it is perfect for scenes that are dark, such as in restaurant or bar. As for the camera features, it supports 4K selfie video, HDR selfie video, upgraded dual view video, AI HD portrait, and many more. On the other hand, it's for a triple rear camera with 64MP plus 8MP plus 2MP. And of course, this device comes with features like Super Night Mode and the bokeh flare portrait function. Other than that, this device is powered by a 4200mAh battery that supports 44W flash charge and run Fun Touch OS 12. Well, with all this tech spec and feature, this device comes at the price tag of 2,099 ringgit. Personally, I think this device is kinda suit me because I like to take selfie with friends. Bring this device with you wherever you go and start to take more nice photos and videos. So, is it a yay or nay for you? Don't forget to leave your comments below, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah, and I'll see you next time. Bye!